can't hang up! Jeez.
I want to taste you.
Oh wait, now I shouldn't taste it. Oh, I'm bulletproof.
And I also turned over all the audio clips I had of Karen and Bill terrorizing Henry. I figured since it was all audio and no video, it wouldn't be enough to get him out of their care, but maybe it'd at least get the Department of Children and Families involved. Karen and Bill immediately claimed that I had broken a bunch of their stuff while moving it around in the basement, stuff that they no doubt had already removed. My GoPro recordings as proof that I had not, in fact, broken any of their stuff while moving it at all. The restraining order a person is allowed to file with a police report is always temporary, but you can always petition the court to extend it. Once Mom and I did that, it was granted. At that
Whoa, what the hell happened? Oh, dude, crash. Crash, crash, crash. Oh, shit. Oh, I gotta...
The dog. It's a waste of money. We just ate a lot of french fries and it wasn't a waste of money.
It is if it's going to the dog. You son of a bitch!
Did we hit him? Second time to stay. Idiot drivers. Today. I'm gonna hate my life.
What the fuck is this retard doing? He's not seriously wanting to try to fucking speed up and make it anyways, is he? Okay, no, he's fine. No, he's a fucking dumbass. Wow, Jesus fucking Christ. He drives that fucking thing. Holy shit. He has 2 other fucking people's vehicles and he drives like a fucking retard. What the fuck? Jesus. Okay, retard. Yeah, sure, you can drive like that. Why not? Who cares? Not like there's other people on the road or anything. Oh, I was half convinced that he was going to try to fucking merge into my lane at the last second. Yeah, sure. I mean, you can drive like that. No one's gonna stop you, except for a police officer. Okay, yeah, I mean, yeah, it's also another way you could drive. Like, oh, yeah, sure, why not? Fuck it, who cares? You know, people exist, you know, to be my fucking NPCs, pretty much. Like, really, what are other people there for, if not to be obstacles to your path of, you know, fucking moving around? Why not?